Now I'm back now. Yeah, yeah, she ready now. She ready. No, no, not for you. She ready. We at the end of the goose bottle. I'll make your hoe swallow. Make the bitch get down. I will get down. It get down. Oh my God. Okay, now I'm back in this bitch. You stupid motherfuckers done let me back in here. You hear me?
Southside.
We just doing this shit. Listen, man. We just fucking around with y'all, man.
Watch.
This shit ain't nothing.
Bitch ass nigga.
Bitch ass niggas, cuz. Do you want to hear him? Listen.
Check me out.
It's 3 of us. This is how we get out. Look how big this bottle is, fam. Three people.
I have my nigga pop you and your crew. That means ride through the alley and dump 2 bitch shots. Block a block. Everybody else ran. We can't lay the chop. Chop. That means 100 rounds. Everybody hit the motherfucking grisound. Bitch niggas know that I ride with the fofo. No. I never been a hizzo. X around, dog. I been making bitches. I been getting rich and I been getting snitches off my motherfucking dick. Popping shots at any nigga wanna snitch or niggas wanna trick. Oh, I don't understand that shit. I don't understand why you don't take your lick. You
Take it,
so hot. You done did your shop. You done made that hot. Now do your pop. Now
Do your pop, bitch.
Lock. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
It ain't shit, dog. What the fuck? Shots to Dirty D and shots to Damo too. Shots to Keep G and shots to Wizzo who? Yeah, y'all know what the fuck I've been talking about. Y'all
bitch niggas
ain't
know,
on
man.
the map.
Y'all not.
Southside bitch, we doing that shit's a trap. Fuck that shit, we doing that since the map began. Y'all niggas, I'ma do this shit to the end.
Fucking, we got
Holla at my
trees, man.
friends, get ins. That's what I'm about, Southside motherfucker. Don't let that come out your mouth. Nothing disrespectful, not that to the death fool. I'm a rap folk, that's my niggas who step to me or them gonna catch this heat or catch this knuckles get knocked off your feet. Get anything you want to, however you wanna do it. We can come through houses too. Or come through blocks, fool. Hit your ass with this bat.
This is my gun right here. This is my gun.
Knock your ass
This is
out.
my gun.
I swear to God, I been bout.
Been bout.
Been bout it, nigga. Not Master P, but I shout a nigga. And I'm a soldier, but I ain't from the know ya. And bitch, I thought I told ya. Yeah, I been rolling. I never pop a deal though. But I will pop a steel though.
Hello.
Y'all niggas
Free
already
dirty, man.
motherfucking know. Shots to Dessert, that's my little brother hoe. And anybody disrespect that nigga, I swear to God on my son, I'm popping them triggers. You niggas ain't know. I've been going to the motherfucking goal. That's right, bitch, I'm going since I'm trying to win. And I'm spinning ends every day by my friends.
I got a fat ass
living
gun, huh?
through
This my
dirty
gun right
beat.
here.
So I hope you see
That's
this
my
shit
gun.
on TV.
This our
but not
gun.
on TV, but it's on YouTube. I'ma save it for you later when you get out in 1-2. That's 2012, dog. And I ain't gonna shave my beard for all of y'all. So everybody know that my brother ain't here. But it's okay, dog, cause I won't ever shed a tear for none of you bitch ass niggas, no fear. Southside nigga, and that's to my dear brother. And yes, I love you. And yes, to my cousin too. Damo dog. What's up with you? I ain't wrote you never a letter, but you know I'm better than any nigga. When you get out, I'ma get you leathers and J's. But I
Okay,
keep
now.
going, don't
We
fade me
online,
right now,
cuz.
cause I'm shouting to my niggas. Dirty D, what's happening? Damo, I'm capping. Yes, I'm trapping. I'm still on the block, what's macking? Yes, you went out there with me when I first touched down on them fucking strizzies. Yes, my nigga, you was right this year, and and I don't care who the fuck ever tell on you, my nigga. I'm still right here because I'm bigger and I'm thicker than
You's a
any
bitch,
nigga. You
nigga.
Southside niggas and Northside niggas. Yeah,
Y'all
some
ain't
of y'all some
about
bitches,
shit,
but I be popping
nigga.
figures and I be clocking figures and I be popping niggas. If you niggas keep on talking, then I'ma drop you niggas. Southside, Southside, and I'ma ride for Damo and desert TD till I die. You niggas already know I rep 823. That's the motherfucking C. And I ain't talking about Crip when I'm talking about the 3. I'm talking about the click, dog. That's Q and Dirt TD and Damo and Do. What's happening with you, Southside motherfucker? Yes, I stay true and I keep on going. You niggas ain't knowing, ain't never been a hoeing. Big stacks that I'm blowing, big stacks that I'm blowing, big stacks that I'm blowing, big stacks that I'm toting, but that ain't for showing. So I don't throw that shit on YouTube. I don't need to show a pistol, cause niggas know what I do. Smack your bitch ass if you niggas come around talking with that shit. Trying to look fucking down on my fucking pimpin'. Southside bitch, and I never walk with a limpin'. Then I keep going till I'm simpin'. All niggas ain't know that I been crippin'.
Hey,
no, that means pimpin'. Ain't no grip. Bitch, I'm a 823 soldier dog, and I tatted that on my shit. Fuck what you talking about, dog. I don't give a fuck about you. None of y'all.
None of y'all. Bitches.
That's to let you niggas know that when I come toe to fucking toe, I'ma blow Southside to the day I blow up. And when I do, dog, what's up to my niggas Southside, cause I'm bigger.
We don't give
you
a
niggas
fuck,
ain't
fam.
thriller.
We ready.
You niggas ain't triller. I'm
Don't
ready
try
for
it.
the biller. I'm ready for the bill. You niggas ain't shit and y'all don't never gotta steal. You talking about y'all popping, but I never see you niggas cocking. I never see you niggas even upping. I always see you running. I never see you busting. We dumping at you bitch ass niggas, cause we ain't stunting. We never even fronting. And yeah, we counting money. Big decks in my pocket. You niggas just be running. You niggas ain't gunning. And yeah, we bout that. You niggas ain't with nothing. Dog ain't got stacks. And y'all ain't got rap. And y'all ain't got trap. And y'all ain't got no game, do this so rap shit. Even map. Y'all can't even mac. Y'all can't even stack. What? Spending heavy money and ain't got that. Dog, I do this. So yes, I'm the truest. You bitches ain't knowing that I've been fucking doing. Hustling, I'm about this money. So whatever coming, I'ma do it. I'm not a dummy. Southside motherfucker. Y'all niggas ain't running for me because I'ma catch you niggas. I got a scope on my heat. Yeah, bitch, niggas know. You niggas ain't know. I've been going toe to toe. Without my niggas here, I still fucking blow. What's up to Damo and Dirty D too? And I keep fucking repping because I'm talking to you on YouTube, but you niggas ain't know. Shouts to my brother Dirty D. What's up, Joe? And Damo. Boss trying to go, so I'ma let him get in. What's happening, Joe?
What's happening, Joe? What's happening, ho?
What the fuck?
Listen.
Becky back.
What?
Fuck it. Fuck it. Cry 2 tears in a fucking bucket. Might as well suck it. Now listen, this is my turn. Hello. Hey, we back now. We black clowns. I back rounds. Bitch, I got fat rounds.
Shit, we finna get hot, bitch.
We finna get hot. Don't even worry about it. We talking about that good grocery though. We smoke purple. Purple. Nigga, I am the man on these streets. Listen to me. I am the man. The little fucking man. I'm so fucking little, nigga. But I am a big fucking nigga. Try me if you want. Bitch, I never stunt. I never front. For who you? Bitch, you not me. I will whoop your whole crew, bitch. Ask your whole crew. They know about us, dude, lil dude from WOC. Yeah, they know us. Bitch, we back, yeah, we never front. And I never stun. I got big blunts. I got big nigga. I got big this. Bitch, you know this. I will count this. I will shake that. I will break that. Bitch, niggas know. Ball stay strapped. Bitch, don't ask about the little dude. I got big K's on my hip. Ooh. You don't want to talk about that shit. Listen here, I will bow down, not this. Listen, I took a fucking seat now. We got Rugers, Lugas, 9mm now. We got 4 foes. Don't even worry about it. We got AKs. Spray about it. Man, fuck. We got whatever you want. Listen, he throwing me off with this shit. He throwing me off. You know, he throwing me off right now. So don't even worry about it. He throwing me off.